What's the best Windows for Mac? Well, there are a few different ways to run Windows on your Mac. The best way for you will depend on your needs, Mac hardware, and preferences. Boot Camp is a free tool that comes with your Mac. It allows you to install Windows on a separate partition of your hard drive. When you start your Mac, you can choose to boot into Windows or Mac OS. Boot Camp is a good option if you need to run Windows-only software or games. Parallels Desktop is a virtualization software that allows you to run Windows as a virtual machine on your Mac. This means that you can run Windows and Mac OS at the same time. Parallels Desktop is a good option if you need to use Windows-only software occasionally, but you don't want to give up the full Mac OS experience. VMware Fusion is another virtualization software that allows you to run Windows as a virtual machine on your Mac. It is similar to Parallels Desktop, but it is generally considered to be more powerful and flexible. VMware Fusion is a good option if you need to run Windows-only software or games, or if you need to use multiple operating systems simultaneously. Crossover for ARM-powered Mac is a compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Mac OS. This means that you don't need to install Windows or a virtual machine. Crossover for Mac is a good option if you only need to run a few Windows applications, and you don't want to go through the hassle of installing Windows or a virtual machine. Ultimately, the best way to run Windows on a Mac is the way that works best for you. Consider your needs and preferences, and choose the option that is right for you.